Alright, do you see these little guys? Okay. These big ones need to be fed first so that they'll get out of the way. There. Got you. Here. You hop up. Here. You sit on me for a little bit, okay? We have 8 pairs of cockatiels. So they're all young. Pretty much young. Most of them are young. And so hopefully we're going to have baby cockatiels pretty much continually, just as soon as they all start breeding. My goal, I want to have at least another 4 pairs of cockatiels. I'd like to have 10 or 12 pairs of cockatiels. Cockatiels are easy, simple, nice birds. They make some of the best pets. And of course Buster, our dog's gonna bark. Let him in, Jeremiah.
Okay.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Look what I found.
Yeah. We got in to see the little bitty babies.
Okay. Well, your hand's black though.
Yeah. And now this other cockatiel. Now y'all know I use these tips. This is a flexible tip. I'm not shoving a hard pipe down their throat. Now this one, come on, step up. Step up. You're not gonna step up for me? There you go. He is almost weaned. He's eating on his own. But I still offer him some formula. He doesn't really want any. Yeah. See, he's just going to spit that right back out. He's regurgitating it. Sweet pea, you can't have any more. I don't know where you would put it. Your trough is full. Look at the size difference between the little babies and the bigger ones. Now these two came from one pair. He came from another pair. And she came from a third pair. So they're not related, and they're not related to these two. You're making a mess and looking ugly on the camera. That's disgusting.
Nah, it's adorable.
Okay, give him a kiss. Oh, there you go. Now remember, this one has lost some feathers because her parents plucked the feathers wanting her to come out of the nest box. And so pretty much just as soon as I brought her in, her parents have laid more eggs.
Yay.
So this is kind of what happens when an adult feeds a baby. Now of course they're both babies, and he's not necessarily trying to feed her. He just didn't want any formula, so he's going to regurgitate it all. And she's going to eat it as it comes out. Here. Just as gross and disgusting as that is. Okay, let's put these back and feed the lovebirds.
Okay.
Our little lovebirds out here. Now, two of the little blue ones have already gone to their new home. They've gone to my friend Beth's house, and they're going to be pets for her. Now, this yellow lovebird here, he's a lot like that cockatiel. He's already eating some on his own, and he doesn't really want a lot of formula. Doesn't really need a lot of formula. So we're just going to let him flutter around for a little bit.
That's a bad idea.
I'm going to feed these 2 little ones here. Look at that, how beautiful that one is. Yeah, just let her fly.
Now.
So, Well, I'm not sure what's going on behind me. I think Jeremiah's trying to catch that yellow lovebird. Now, these are Dutch blue, or sometimes called aqua, sometimes called turquoise, sometimes called tar blue. Whatever you want to call them, they're beautiful, beautiful little birds. I absolutely adore lovebirds. They're such sweet birds.
I love lovebirds.
You love lovebirds? Lovebirds are Jeremiah's favorite, I think.
I don't know. Are they?
In general, yeah.
Yeah.
So, here's this yellow one.
Except if they bite.
She is a pallid opaline. Opaline means that she's going to have red all down her neck, and her head's going to be bright red color. These are the peach face species of lovebirds. Other species of lovebirds are called masked lovebirds or fisher's lovebirds. And there are others, but the peach face are the most common. Alright, we're back. We had to take a quick break. What are you doing?
We had the airplane.
We had a government drone buzz our house. We're being watched.
Another airplane flew over.
It was a government drone.
I don't know.
We are really close to Anniston, Alabama, where the Army has a depot. My dad worked there most of his adult life, up until he got sick and passed away. But anyhow, I'm joking. It was just an airplane. But we do live close to the Anniston Army depot, and we get all kinds of helicopters and small aircraft flying overhead.
And pizzas.
And pizzas?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Friday, and Jeremiah gets pizza on Friday.
I do?
Yeah.
I don't remember that being a rule.
Okay, well, we can make it a rule if you want to make it a rule.
Yeah. Pizza.
Well, guys, there you go. We're through feeding the baby birds for this morning, so thank you for watching. Look at him. He's regurgitating too. See, he just doesn't want to be fed anymore. He's eating on his own, so I'll have to remember that. It's time to put them into cages and get them set up and maybe get them a new home. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep these or not.
No. That's no zone.
Probably am going to keep them just because I'm trying to increase my numbers up again. We downsized 2 years ago. And we're trying to... You're just being crazy, aren't you?
Yeah.
We're not really starting over, but we're wanting to increase. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. The thing started that sound.